want to see how I achieve these super easy Bohemian Goddess crochet faux locks, then stay tuned. So I'll be using the FreeTress Gypsy Goddess Lock in 20 inches. I'm using the color OT27 and I use 2 packs of those. I'm also using the same hair in OT30 and I use 1.5 packs of hair. I picked up my hair from DivaTress.com and I'll definitely leave all the links below to the website as well as to the hair. And of course I use a crochet hook because you can't do crochet without a crochet hook. So I'm starting off with a pretty basic foundation. I just have 12 braids straight back. I really recommend doing 14 braids, but my mom was being lazy and I begged her to do this, so I won't be too picky. And then I just sewed the loose braids down so they weren't hanging and all of that. So doing crochet is really easy. You insert the hook underneath the braid, you insert the hair into the hook, close the hook, and you pull the hair through. So it's a really simple process, but this hair actually has really small loops, so it makes it hard to try to pull the hair through with your fingers. As you can see, your girl is struggling, okay? So I kind of figured out a better way to do it, but definitely with this hair in particular, don't use your fingers to pull the hair through. It's definitely a hot mess. That method has worked well for other crochet hair that I've used, but not for these. So I definitely wanted to say that. So here's the hack basically to kind of work around the small loops. You pull the crochet hair under the braid as you normally would, but then you attach the crochet hook to the end of the braid, the lock, the twist, and then you pull the hair through the loop using the crochet hook. Does that make sense? It probably sounds a lot harder with me explaining it, so just watch the process, and I'm slowing it down for you so you understand what I'm doing. I think you'll understand it more by watching as opposed to me trying to struggle through it. I got a whole degree in communication and I still struggle with basic human communication, but it is what it is. And boom, yeah, that simple. And what I like about this hair is that it looks really natural, and the ombre of this hair, like I've used crochet hair in the past where it didn't have an ombre and it didn't look as natural. My natural hair is actually a grown out type of blonde, so I love the ombre effect. It definitely adds to the realistic look of the hair, and this is what the hair looks like when it's all installed. I wanted to show you how the ends look because I'm about to customize them really simply, so definitely keep watching to see that. So you can definitely wear your hair like this, but I wanted to make it a bit more natural, and I'm doing that by actually braiding the hair in about 5 sections. So I'm just doing 5 big bold braids down the length of the hair, and what this will do, it will help to lengthen the hair and also make it look more organic and more natural. Right now the curls are all perfect, they're all cutesy, and they don't look really organic and bohemian, so this will definitely help that process. So after you braid the hair up, you're going to dip it in hot water. I didn't think there was really a need to show you that because all you do is dip it for about 15 seconds to 30 seconds, and then you literally unbraid the braids, and now you have hair that's much longer. Instead of the hair touching like my mid back, lower back, it now touches my butt. And to help the process along, to stretch the hair even more, I take my blow dryer on high heat, high speed, and I just go up and down the length of the locks, and this will also help to stretch them out while also of course drying the hair really fast from wetting it with the hot water. So yeah, definitely take a blow dryer and use it to stretch the hair, and I'm just pulling on the hair so it can hit my booty length hair. Yes, God. And these are the results. Look how beautiful these locks look, y'all. I am feeling myself. I mean, they hit my butt. They're cute. I added some, some string and some, what are those things called? Some clips, some gold accents. And yeah, I'm just fiery. Look at that glow. Yes, who are you? Okay. Oh, yes, honey, yes. shout out to DivaTress for providing this bomb hair. Definitely check them out. I will leave all the links down below as I said. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.